Hello everyone, welcome back to statistics class. In today's class I have to explain a continuation part of standardized death rate. In previous class we have already studied the types of mortality rate. Those are nothing but CDR, crude death rate, and second one is specific death rate, and third one standardized death rate. Okay, now we are going to study the fourth one, that is also a measurement of mortality rate, that is nothing but infant mortality rate. Okay, the infant mortality and neonatal mortality and maternal mortality rate, these are the three measurements. Those are important for in your annual examination. In these topics there are 2 marks questions are comes in your question paper, so concentrate only a definition and formula and also a 2 marks problems. Okay, these are the very easy to calculate. Okay, but in standardized death rate it gives 5 marks or 10 marks questions from that, and also CDR, ASDR. But here infant mortality and neonatal mortality and maternal mortality gives only a 2 marks questions in your exams. Only you have to concentrate definition as well as formula and the problems. So here comes the first one, infant mortality rate. That is, infant mortality rate is defined as the average number of deaths, infant deaths. Concentrate here, infant means is nothing but children aged less than 1 year. Okay, less than 1 year, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರೋರನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫಾಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, infant mortality rate is defined as the average number of infant deaths per 1000 live births in a year. Infant means children aged less than 1 year. Okay, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದೊಳಗೆ ಇರೋರನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದೊಳಗೆ ಸಾಯುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಗುನ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಫಾಂಟ್ ಡೆತ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, so infant mortality rate is measure of the risk of death between the birth of the baby and its first year birthday. Okay, before 1 year ಒಳಗೆ ಸಾಯುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಗುನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ಫಾಂಟ್ mortality or infant death ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. So okay, here the infant mortality rate is measure of the risk of death between the birth of the baby and its first year birthday. Okay, and next it gives the a very easy formula to calculate the infant mortality rate, that is IMR equals to number of deaths among infant in the year. Okay, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದೊಳಗೆ ಸಾಯುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳದ್ದು ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ಫಾಂಟ್ ಡೆತ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು 1000ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಬೀಸ್ ಸಾಯ್ತಾವಂತ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ವೇರ್ IMR ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆತ್ಸ್ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಫಾಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಇಯರ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈವ್ ಬರ್ತ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂಟು 1000. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ IMR whatever they are given in textbook. So you have to concentrate the problems whatever they are given in your textbook. A town in a year 62,418 live births occurred, and of these 3,207 infant dead in the same year. Compute infant mortality rate. Already we know that the formula is nothing but infant mortality rate equals to the number of deaths among infant in the year. Okay, here in this formula the infant deaths are how much? 3207 and divided by the total number of live births in the same year, that is 62,418. So you need to substitute the formula. Number of deaths of infant in a year is 3207 and the number of live births occurring in a year, that is 62,418, and multiply 1000. Here you get the corresponding infant mortality rate, that is nothing but 51.38. So we'll explain another problem. In a locality 10,000 live births occurred. The number of infant deaths was 450. Find the infant mortality rate. Okay, here also apply the same formula and you have to apply it is similar as the previous problem. Okay, here the live births are 10,000 and infant deaths are 450. Okay, first you need to write the formula. It's very important for 2 marks in your annual exams, whatever. Then where IMR equals to the number of deaths of infants in a year divided by the number of live births occurring in a year into 1000. So the number of infant deaths here 450 and the number of live births occurring in that year only, that is 10,000. Multiply 1000, here you get the 45 is nothing but it is your infant mortality rate. Okay, so next we will discuss the next problem. In a locality 3000 live births occurred. The number of infant deaths was 138. Find infant mortality rate. Here also you have to apply the same procedure as previous problem. Here 3000 live births are there and the infant deaths are how much? Here 138 and apply the formula. IMR equals to the number of deaths infant in a year divided by the number of live births occurring in a year into 1000. Okay, here also same, you need to substitute the number of deaths infants in a year, how much here? The 138 and divided by the number of live births occurring in a year is 3000 and multiply the 1000. Here you get the corresponding infant mortality rate, that is 46 deaths are per 1000. Okay, here you are finding the infant mortality rate. Infant means what here? The children aged less than 1 year and also it measures the risk of death between the birth of the baby and its first year birthday. And here the stillbirths are not included in the infant deaths and also the rate can be calculated for males and females separately. But IMR indicates the level of health, nutrition and the socio-economic development of a region in India. The IMR is 46.07 out of which male IMR is 44.71 whereas female IMR is 47.59 per 1000 in a year between 2012. So guys, it shows here how much the health condition is there in our country and in your area, in your I think you have to compare between the Hubli and Gadag, it shows you are finding the infant mortality rate, how it is healthy in Hubli and Gadag, okay, and socio-economic development of a region, corresponding region, okay. Then next we will move on to the next concept, that is nothing but neonatal mortality rate, that is shortly called as NMR, capital letter NMR, okay. Now let us discuss the neonatal mortality rate. Neonatal mortality rate is defined as the average number of neonatal deaths per 1000 live births in a year, okay. Concentrate, the average number of neonatal deaths per 1000 live births in a year. But in infant mortality rates, we have to study the children aged less than 1 year. But here in neonatal mortality rate, we have to study the less than 28 days. It is also considered in the infant mortality rate also, okay. These are the same, but here in we have to take the babies aged less than 28 days, but in infant we have to consider the babies children aged less than 1 year, okay. 28 is occurs in 1 year only. Here also it gives you same health and nutrition and socio-economic development of a region, okay. Now let us concentrate the formula. NMR equals to the number of deaths of neonatals in a year, okay. Neonatals means what here? The baby is aged less than 28 days. The baby is less than 28 days and divided by the number of live births occurring in a year into 1000. So here the neonatal babies means babies aged less than 28 days. So the very important note, around 60% of infant deaths are neonatal deaths, okay, because in 60% of babies are died in between 28 days only, okay. So we have to consider the 60% of infant deaths are neonatal deaths, in other 40% of deaths are here neonatals. So we have to consider the 60% of infant deaths are neonatal deaths. So we will solve the problems whatever they are given in your textbook, those are solved. In a particular city, 3000 live births occurred in a particular year. Concentrate, the city, 3000 live births occurred in a particular city. The number of neonatal deaths was here 90. Find neonatal mortality rate, okay. Concentrate the formula here. The NMR equals to number of deaths of neonatal in a year divided by number of live births occurring in a year into 1000. Here in this formula, in this problem, they are given the neonatal deaths are 90 and number of live births here 3000, and substitute, you get here the neonatal mortality rate is 30. 30 is nothing but it is the per 1000, okay. We are calculating the NMR for per 1000. So we will next move on to the next problem. In a locality, 10,000 live births occurred. The number of neonatal deaths was 270. Find NMR. Here also you have to apply the same procedure as previous problem. Okay, take the formula where NMR equals to number of deaths of neonatal in a year divided by number of live births occurring in a year into 1000. So substitute here the how much the number of deaths of neonatal in a year is 270 and number of live births occurring in a year is 10,000 and multiply 1000, here you get 27 for per 1000. Okay, here the 27 gives you a neonatal mortality for per 1000. And next we will move on to the next one, the next measure of mortality rate, that is nothing but maternal mortality rate, shortly called as it's a MMR. So concentrate here, the maternal mortality rate is defined as the average number of deaths among mothers due to causes relating to their childbirth per 1000 birth in a year. Okay, but in neonatal and infant mortality we have to find the infant children aged less than 1 year and children aged less than 28. But in maternal mortality the mothers, okay, the number of deaths among mothers due to causes of relating to their child birth. Okay, ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟುವ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಾಗಿ ತಾಯಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಾಯಂದಿರು ಸಾಯ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವರ ಸಾವನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ಪರ್ 1000ಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಕಾಸಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಬರ್ತ್, ಮಗು ಹುಟ್ಟೋ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಾಗಿ ತಾಯಂದಿರ ಸಾವುಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು. But in infant and neonatal mortality we have to consider the infant aged less than 1 year and aged less than 28 days. But in maternal mortality we have to consider the average number of deaths among mothers due to causes relating to their childbirth per 1000 birth in a year. Okay, so concentrate, the formula is MMR equals to the number of deaths of mothers due to childbirth in a year divided by the number of live births occurring in a year into 1000. Okay, these are formula and the definition is very important for 2 marks or 1 marks in your exam. So MMR equals to number of deaths of mother due to childbirth in a year divided by the number of live births occurring in the year into 1000. So note here, the maternal mortality is also called puerperal deaths. Okay, next we will solve the problems. In a locality of out of 10,000 live births, 90 mothers died due to childbirth complication. Find the maternal mortality rate. Okay, here concentrate, there are 10,000 live births, 10,000 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದಾಗಿ 90 ತಾಯಂದಿರ ಸಾವು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ 10,000 live births is 90. The mothers died due to a childbirth complications. Find maternal mortality rate. Okay, due to a causes of childbirth the mothers died how much here, 90, that is 90. The live births is how much, 10,000. So we have to find by using the formula, the maternal mortality rate is nothing but the number of deaths of mothers due to childbirth in a year divided by the number of live births occurring in a year into 1000. So here in this problem the number of deaths of mothers due to childbirth in a year is how much here, 90 and the number of live births is how much? 10,000 and multiply 1000. Here you get the maternal mortality rate is nothing but 9. So it is very less. Okay. And concentrate infant means is what here? The children aged less than 1 year, and neonatal mortality rate is the baby is less than 28 days. But in maternal mortality rate we have to find the average number of deaths among mothers due to the causes relating to the childbirth per 1000 birth in a year. So here you get the maternal mortality rate is how much here? 9 per 1000. So we will next move on to the next problem. In a locality 3000 live births occurred, 24 mothers died due to a childbirth complication. Find maternal mortality rate. So here the live births are how much here? 3000 and the number of mothers died how much? 24. Then apply the same procedure as previous problem. So take the formula MMR equals to the number of deaths of mothers due to childbirth in a year divided by the number of live births occurring in a year into 1000. So the number of deaths of mothers how much here? 24 and number of live births are in a year is 3000 into 1000. Here you get 8. That is nothing but maternal mortality rate of per 1000. So the next concept is, it is very important, okay, for 1 mark, 2 marks. Okay, we will discuss the life tables concept in the next class. So guys, you need to solve these sum problems whatever they are given in your exercise, or I have already given you question bank. Okay, it's very important for your annual exam, so you need to solve those problems whatever they are given on neonatal and infant mortality and maternal mortality. You need to solve and send me as soon as possible. Okay, we'll discuss the life table concept in next class. Okay, thank you.